everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today I've got a little yarn haul from Hobbii. I wanted to try the unicorn yarn, you know, the hanged unicorn yarn. So I've not ordered from them for a while because my favourite yarn, Twister, is not in stock. So I've decided that I'm going to buy bougie yarn instead, while I'm waiting for Twister to come back in stock, because believe it or not, I've not got all the colours and I love that yarn. So this is my little parcel from Hobbii. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see what I can try and cut it without cutting my yarn. So let me see what's here. So, oh, look at them, little cows, buttons, wooden buttons. So they're my freebie. Yes, right, okay. So, oh yes. So I got the unicorn. And I told you in my last video, that yarn haul video, that I'm really into my greys at the moment, and I got this grey. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. And this is obviously unicorn, 75% wool, 25% polyamide, 437 yards, 400 meters, not millimeters, there's 100 grams, and 3 to 4 hook. Yeah. Oh, and needles 2.5 to 4 millimeter. So this is a number one weight yarn. So this is the grey. And does it tell me the colours on here? No, it doesn't. So this is the grey, and then, so I got, let me see how many again. So I got 4 of these, 4 of the grey, all the same information. And then to go with that, I got 2 of the, it's like a wine colour, a burgundy, and I think those 2 colours will go really, really nice together, really wintry. So again, same specifications, 437 yards, 400 meters, 100 grams, 2.5 millimeter to 4 millimeter knitting needle, 3 to 4 millimeter hook, and it's a 1 weight, and it is actually Ecotex standard, so it comes up to this standard. Guys, them colours together will look fabulous. What do you think? And it's quite soft, actually, quite nice against my skin. So that's that, and of course I got a little bag of gummy bears. So what do you think, guys? Do you like? I do. I think them 2 colours will look awesome together, and they'll be really nice. I'm thinking I might make a nice cardigan with this. I've not seen a pattern that I like yet, but I definitely think I'm going to make a cardigan with that. That'll be really nice for the winter. And of course my little wooden moo cow buttons and my gummy bears. So that's all from me for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you're all well. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. Bye bye for now.